Beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So I just thought I would start off by saying that I've spoken with my doctor and I'm going to be having a chest x-ray. She said that it could be I've punctured my lung or blood clot. So I'm going to have the x-ray and also blood's taken. So I did actually pull my finger out of my bum, and yeah, so I just have to go pick up the form for the bloods and then just go over to x-ray to have the x-ray. So I will keep you all informed. I have an Aliexpress haul. I've got these things over the last couple of weeks. I'm still waiting for, I think, 10 or 11 more items. So as I've got a few little bits, I thought I would show you. So if I've ever sent you anything, or you would have seen from a few people's videos, when I send anything like glitter or whatever, I like to put things in cutesy little bags and stick my sticker on, and I'm very, I don't know, anal. Is anal the word? I like things to look cute. So you would have seen me haul these before, but because I like them so much, I ordered some more. Can't think how much they were, but if you do want links, which I'm sure you don't, yeah, just ask. I'll get them for you. There's 50 in each, and I also got these. I have pink ones that have got like a white bow on it, but I really liked these ones. Love heart, just kind of like a flower, I guess. So there's 50 in each of those. Very cute. I got the stamping plate. I took the God, you don't want to see me. I took the blue film off because there was a big sticker over and I couldn't see what was on it. So yeah, there's Pac-Man. I love the Pac-Man. Some clocks, some keys, some dollar signs. So yeah, that's cute, and that's XYZ21. I'm not sure what company it is, but if you want the link, I will get it for you. I also got some stickers. I thought they were water decals, but they're not. So got these cute Sesame Street ones. I got these really for the Cookie Monster because Aggie a while ago sent me some googly eyes, and then recently Melissa had sent me some bigger ones. So I thought I could do maybe Cookie Monster design and then use the googly eyes. So yeah, I loved Sesame Street when I was a kid. Love it. So yes, that's that. Also got these stickers, seahorses, some jellyfish. So yeah, I think these are really cute. And then I got these ones, so some more jellyfish, seahorses, and like these floaty looking fish, which are really cute. And I got two of these Minnie Mouse, these decals, and I really like these. You know, like them luminous lights. It's kind of like that, if you get what I'm saying. So that's those. And then I got some of these crystals. They're all the same. I got 5, but I sent one to Wendy. but they are the glass ones. I've bought these quite a few times. My camera ain't going to pick it up, but they are super sparkly, really, really pretty, and they do keep their shine. So I love those. And then I got from Born Pretty a chrome powder. Oh, okay, I had to show you from the bottom. It's holographic, probably won't show up on camera, but green chrome, which is really pretty. And from Savvyland, I thought they only did gel polishes, but I found that they also did chrome. So I got like this, oh gosh. Like a rose, I want to say rose gold, but it looks more pinky. That's pretty, and you get quite a lot in there considering it's a chrome powder, because normally you don't get so much. So I will have a little play with that, let you know how I get on with that. And then I placed an order with the Colours World. Now they normally do 50-gram bags of glitters, but I had the option of getting 10-gram bags. So that's what I did. I remember this, I got 12 10-gram bags for £14.40. So what does that work out as? £1.20. Yeah, £1.20 for 10 grams, which I think is bloody brilliant. So these are the multi-cut of hexagons. So yeah, there's the search number if you want it. Really pretty, I love. I think I got 2 of those. Yeah, I got 2 of those. And then, oh sorry, got some pinks. Right, I thought these two were the same, but they're not. This one's more lighter. So yeah, these are all, they are all, I'm trying to think of the word, multi-cut. So yeah, mixed hexagons. So this is beautiful, iridescent. Love that, and I love that it comes in a double bag, just in case. And then there's this Barbie pink. Again, another iridescent, really, really, really pretty, this one. I like that. Quite clearly I like them all, else I wouldn't have bought them. And then there's this. This is pretty. Love that colour. And then another pink. Gorgeous. I love a lot. And then I got 2 whites, but they are different. So there is this one. It has like a green to gold. I want to say tinge, but you don't call it tinge, you call it something reflect. And then this one, like a blue to green. So yeah, you see the difference. Okay, that's those. I don't know why I'm putting them back in here. Then I got 2 blues. Sorry, just hit the camera. There's that one. Gosh, is it the same? Yeah, they're the same. So that's very pretty. Then I also got an orange. I love these so much. That is absolutely beautiful. I really, really like that. And then lastly, like this light, would you say like a light orange? It's not pastel. But yeah. I think they're beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. So I can't wait to start playing with those. If you want links, please let me know. I will go back onto Aliexpress and get them for you. So yeah, I hope you are all well, that you're not going out and you know you're doing okay. Yesterday was the first day. Actually, I went to Tesco's and found food. I couldn't bloody believe it, so I bought 2 whole chickens. It sounds really bad because I was going mad about people bulk buying. Even though buying 2 chickens is not bulk, but I don't know. Anyway, you don't need to know about my shopping list, do you? But yeah, I was just happy to find food, like proper food, because I cook all my food from scratch. I always have done. So for me to have to sit there and eat pizza or burgers, I mean, I don't mind burgers, but like I say, I always cook everything from scratch. So to be able to cook again made me very, very happy. Anyway, my darlings, I am off. Please take good care of yourselves. I will update you on the old x-ray and my bloods. I'm sure everything will be fine. But yeah, it's always good to check. I know I left it 3 weeks, but at least I spoke to my doctor. Anyway, I will speak to you all very soon. Bye for now.